Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Coding Rabbit. Today we are going to start the JavaScript beginner course part 2. In this video we are going to tell you that what is set timeout and what is console API, so that you can understand the JavaScript synchronous and asynchronous thing by the help of these two APIs. So let's start with it. And this is a platform code collab. Basically here you can collaborate with someone, like you will write the code and he can see live this code, and he can even change the code as well. This platform is used to take interviews as well. I use it in my company to take interviews. So let's start with this platform. So in order to use this platform, we will click on get started, and here we will write node.js, basically JavaScript, and then create a project. It will create a project, and we can just test it, or we can practice our code on this online platform. We do not need to set up the development environment in basics of JavaScript. Basically for the basics we can use it, and later on we can set up our development environment when we will go to the intermediate level course. And even we are starting our separate series for these kind of tools and setting up things, like what is Git and all those things. We are trying to create a different playlist for those things. So let's move to this part. So here we will see that what is set timeout. Basically set timeout is an API or as a function which is exposed by the browser, or we can say V8 engine. And in this, what is this set timeout? It is an inbuilt function. So this function will trigger what? It will trigger our function, means it will call our function after a specified time, like I can say 1 second. This is in milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. So in this, after this 1 second, this function will be automatically executed. Okay, let's do it. And here we will see like console.log, and we can print it basically on the console. So if you see, I write down set timeout, and in this I write a function up to there, and here after comma this is 1000. So what is function and all those we are going to cover in our next video series. So in this you will see this function, basically set timeout is a function which takes a function as an argument. Like in JavaScript you can pass on the function as a parameter as well. So, and this is the second parameter. So this function will execute after 1 second. So when we will run this code, so from there on run button, when we click on this, you will see that there will be ABC. So it's the output of this. Basically this will print those things. Like here I can say coding rabbit, and I can change like 5000, means after 5 seconds. So when you will click on run, it will print this value after 5 seconds. You see that there is no output right now. After 5 seconds it will print this. Okay, this is coding rabbit now. So this is set timeout basically. So after time it will execute. Like if we say uh, let a equal to 10, then let b equal to 12, and when we say like there a plus b, and if we count it, run, so it will execute these whole lines after 5 seconds. So this is all about the set timeout. Now we are going to talk about the console API. Basically this is a API which is exposed by the V8 engine, and we can use it to perform different things. Basically on this we have different functions like log, it will print the thing, and info, basically to info something, means the information when we write some code, and uh, in backend as well, in front end as well, and we want to show some information in the production as well, then we use info. Do not use log when you pass on your code to the production, because it is just to log on your development environment. It will not create any problem, but like this is a standard. Like don't write console.log in your final code, remove it, because it is used to debug the application. But we will tell you how to debug it as a pro, okay, in uh, next video, basically in the when we will create our projects. So then I will tell you that how you can debug things. So this is the console is an API and which has different methods on it. So we can use those like time and time end, time log, timestamp. So there are a lot of methods which can be used, like assert, clear, count. Each method have their own purpose to write things. Like we want to show some error as well. We want to log some error. What is logs and how they help you? I will tell you in in later series. So these all are the things like table. In table form, you want to print some table on your console, you can use these APIs. And for the list, you can go to mdn developer.mozilla.org, and here you can see the console is an API. And here you can see, like, on the interface, with the help of interface, we access these methods. So these are the methods, and you can see their definitions there. So this is it about the set timeout and the console API. And now we are going to create the next video, which will tell you how JavaScript is synchronous and how you can write a code which can perform as asynchronous. Thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and comment on our videos, and try to ask questions so that we can we can create more videos, or we can deliver it directly to you. You can ask your questions on Telegram, Instagram, anywhere you want. Thank you guys. Bye bye.